Well, this particular design is a Royal Doulton late 20th century pattern called Earlswood. It's a sort of turquoisey blue and gold design, very elegant, sort of chinoise floral mounds with sort of peony flowers, rose blossoms, and then this sort of hatching, very quite emporial round the outer side. Good degree of gilt, as you can see. Looks better in real life than it does in graphics, because against the white background, the contrast of the gilt on that turquoisey blue backdrop around the rims is quite contrast. There's the Earlswood Lion and Crown Royal Doulton marks, H5053 Royal Doulton Tableware Ltd 1978. Earlswood was quite a short-lived edition for them. I think it was introduced and registered in 78, but went off production as early as 85. So there won't be a vast quantity of it out there. Makes it more difficult to find in good condition. And the surface of this plate is very, very clean indeed. Very occasional knife mark, but as close to mint as you're likely to find anywhere online currently. Measurements, pricings, availability, just the one of these going on catalogue this afternoon. Not part of a big dinner service, this just came our way as an odd plate, so being listed as a single item. Link below will take you through to the website listing. Thanks for watching.